Moving on to banking space and some updates coming in on Yes Bank. The board has approved a fundraise via the FPO route. Neha is joining us with more on that. Neha?
The board of Yes Bank has approved fundraising via a follow-on public offering or an FPO. The bank, in an exchange filing yesterday, said that the capital raising committee of the board has approved fundraising by way of a further public offering. The bank also said that the committee will meet on or after July 10th to approve details such as price bands, discounts, amongst others. Meanwhile, sources have confirmed to us that the bank is looking to raise rupees 15,000 crores via this FPO. If you remember, the bank had already received approvals from both its board and shareholders to raise capital up to 15,000 crore in March this year. Our sources have also told us that the FPO is likely to hit the market early next week. This FPO will be Yes Bank's second round of fundraising. In the first round, Yes Bank had raised rupees 10,000 crores from a consortium of private and public lenders led by State Bank of India as part of its restructuring. The bank is in dire need of funds. It needs to boost its capital base. If you look at the capital adequacy of the bank, it stood at 8.5% as on March 31st, 2020, which is below the minimum regulatory requirement of 11.5%. If you look at Yes Bank CET1 ratio, it stood at 6.3% as against the requirement of 7.375%. So the bank definitely is in need of funds. The bank's non-performing assets have been on the rise. Along with that, bank's deposit base has also contracted over the last few months. Like I said, sources have told us that the bank's FPO is likely to be launched early next week, and we will bring you all the details. It will be interesting to see how investors respond to this FPO.
All right, thanks.